Our today's topic is chemical reaction and equation. Right. First of all, see what is chemical reaction. Whenever chemical changes occur, we can say chemical reaction has taken place. So, first I am writing what is chemical reaction. Whenever chemical change occur called chemical reaction, right? This how this changes are occur. Example we are taking, food get digested in our body. Right, this is one example. Second is rusting, is a second example of iron, right? Second is chemical equation. It can be expressed of any chemical reaction symbolically is called chemical equation. So we may write in defining chemical reaction can be expressed symbolically called chemical equation, right? In this we are taking one example. When we are saying magnesium is burnt into air to form magnesium oxide, so what we are writing, Mg react with O2, it form MgO. So this writing fashion in the terms of symbol of magnesium and oxygen, it produce MgO, magnesium oxide, is called chemical equation, right? So same time you will take example with the calcium and oxygen, it form calcium oxide, some other also. So we observe in this, in that changes in state, what kind of changes we are found in chemical reaction. That changes in its like something in solid state converted towards liquid or gaseous, or some color may be changes. So color, evolution of gas, we may also recognize gas, or we may say for the change in temperature also we conclude here, temperature, change in temperature, right? Then next is change by the physical means also, in a state like a reactant or product mentioned in informative idea we are using solid. If something exists in solid state we write in bracket in a small portion. For gas we are using G, and for the liquid this is for solid, right? And gaseous we write G. And if something you will write in liquid, you have to keep lowercase of l. And then if something is aqueous, you have to write A and Q. Right, this is the physical appearance of different state. Right, we are talking about little more because color is very clear, evolution of gas and temperature is very clear. States have a little broader range that exist in different conditions. Something is solid, liquid and gas. So we have to elaborate it how we are writing whenever we will write the chemical equation. Now our most important thing is about balance the equation. So balancing chemical equation is too much important for all of us. In this we are looking to change the chemical equation. It convert reactant to product. In balanced chemical equation we have to write number of element on the side of reactant must be equal to side of product. You will take any example, just we are taking here the very simplest example. Hydrogen react with oxygen, it produce water. So how you are balancing this equation? One hydrogen, this side you will calculate 2 times of hydrogen, this side also 2 times of hydrogen. Oxygen is here, better 2 oxygen atom. But this side we are finding only 1 oxygen. What we will do, will multiplying the factor 2. So it become 2 oxygen now, but now hydrogen is imbalances. So what we will do to balance the hydrogen, just we multiply with the factor 2 here also. So 2H2 react with 1 oxygen, it form 2 times of water. So that number we can use to balance the chemical equation. And this is just an idea to balance the chemical equation, in which we are watching number of atom of each element involved in reaction remain constant, both the side remain same on the side of reactant as well as product side. So keep in mind, whatever the number of atom we are finding left side of, or we may say this is called reactant portion. This is our reactant, right? And after arrow, whatever we will form, this is normally called product, right? So in the side of product, number of atom, or at the side of reactant, number of atom must be equal. This is an idea to balancing the chemical equation. Next we are moving in the side of combination reaction. Different type of reaction we have to study. Combination reaction. In combination reaction, 2 or more substances combine to form a single substance is called combination reaction. 2 or more substances combined and it form single substance is called combination reaction, beta. So when 2 or more substances combine and form new substance is called combination reaction. Example of combination reaction is whenever calcium oxide is exist in solid, what we discussed in previous state, we must be write on as a after symbolic presentation of compound. Then water is write in liquid state it exists. So we write like this, and after reaction it forms CaOH whole 2, right? This is called calcium hydroxide. Memorize this formula, very important for the prospective of exam. Calcium hydroxide, right? Or this side we know, all of us we know this is the formula of water, so we write water, and this is calcium oxide. Generally we say this calcium oxide quicklime also. So this is one side we are writing as a slacked lime, another is called quicklime. So this calcium oxide is beta SLAKED, slacked lime, and another side is called this is actually quicklime. Okay beta, so we may write like this, and calcium oxide is called quicklime. Memorize this. This is too much confusion. Normally we will find if it is not memorized perfectly. So if anyone asks you what is the formula of quicklime, your answer must be calcium oxide or CaO, right? Next is calcium hydroxide is used for whitewashing walls. Someone asks you 1 mark question, CaOH whole 2. This is called calcium hydroxide, or we just see this is our slacked lime also, used for whitewashing wall. Right? This is use of, and it react with carbon dioxide and to form calcium carbonate. This is also shiny finish to the wall only. So you memorize this, calcium hydroxide or slacked lime when react with carbon dioxide it form calcium carbonate. It form beta calcium carbonate, right? This calcium carbonate exists in solid state. You must be memorize the name of this, calcium carbonate, right? And this is our carbon dioxide. It exists in gaseous state, we must write, and this calcium hydroxide exists in aqueous state. This you may want to be right, just you write calcium hydroxide side. Perfect. And later you will take another example if you want to be see the combination reaction, then we are taking one more example here. Example second is carbon which exists in solid state react with oxygen, it is in gaseous state. Later we will understand, or here we will say this is just we are burning the coal. Coal is carbon, oxygen it burns in presence of air, that formation of carbon dioxide plus heat and plus light. Okay, so this is also known as exothermic reaction. We will later see in other part of the reaction, but normally you will see whatever the changes is occur. Now carbon exists in solid state, gaseous state, its side carbon dioxide will form. This is also in existing gaseous state. Next is formation of water, which already discussed in previous portion. Hydrogen of 2 react with oxygen, it will going to form water, right? So hydrogen oxygen combine, it form a new product is called formation of water. So what we are watching in this combination reaction, when 2 or more substance combine to form new substance, we are watching here, see 2 different substance form a new compound. Another example we have calcium carbonate. How we get calcium hydroxide react with carbon dioxide. Next is carbon react with oxygen, it form carbon dioxide, burning of coal. Last example is two times of hydrogen react with oxygen, it form water, so formation of water we may say. Next type of reaction we will discussing now for exothermic reaction. Thermic reaction. In exothermic reaction, heat is released along with the formation of product. Memorize this. Heat is released with the formation of product. Is called exothermic reaction. Whenever we are getting product along with the heat of reaction. Example is again, we are taking this is formula you memorize now. This is formula of methane. CH4 is formula of methane. Better write down on your copy. This is CH4 which exists in gaseous state. React with two times of oxygen. We are just trying to make little balanced equation. It form carbon dioxide plus two times of water. Right? See, this is react with CH4 react with oxygen. It form carbon dioxide and water. And we are getting enormous amount of heat after this reaction. This is called in exothermic reaction. Memorize this. If anyone asks you hydrocarbon react with presence of oxygen, it is exothermic reaction. Second example of exothermic reaction is respiration. Whatever we are breathing, aeration is also example of exothermic reaction. Right? This is example of exothermic reaction. Next is decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. Decomposition of table into compost is an example of exothermic reaction. So later we will see other type of reaction also, and so just I am revising this all once again. Be little focused. We have started like a chemical reaction and equation. This chemical reaction, whenever chemical changes occur, called chemical reaction. Example is food get digest in our body, rusting of iron. Next is chemical equation. Chemical reaction can be expressed symbolically, called chemical equation. Like magnesium react with oxygen, magnesium oxide will form. So there are changes in state, color, evolution of gas and temperature. Physical existence of matter in solid, gas, liquid or aqueous medium we have to define by the symbol, and you have to write something exists in solid as lowercase of g, lowercase of l in respective nature. Next is balancing the chemical equation. You must be right whenever the chemical reaction took place, number of atom or number of element on the side of reactant must be equal to numbers of element or atom on the side of product. Example we already discussed, hydrogen react with oxygen, it form water, and number of atom on the side of reactant must be equal to number the side of product. Next is combination reaction, when two or more substance combine form a new substance. Series of example I showed you here. Then burning of coal is one of the important. Then formation of water, and last we collaborate with the idea of exothermic reaction. Heat release with the formation of product. CH4, this is the family of hydrocarbon. Later we will see what is hydrocarbon. And 2 times of oxygen, arrow CO2 plus 2 times of water. So memorize this is our hydrocarbon, where it is very clear carbon and hydrogen are present, so we may say hydrocarbon. Second example is respiration is also exothermic reaction. Next is anything going to be converting being compost after too many process is also example of exothermic reaction. Thank you. We will get back again with the new section of different type of chemical equation and its reaction. Thank you.